satellite scan.
Your destination is on the left.
I'm fine. How are you doing, my buddy? Wacht op tussen. Hier. En sy op peanut. Go. How are you doing? Did you see who parked this car here? Didn't. When did you maybe notice anything? Good morning. Do you guys know whose vehicle this is?
We really don't know yet.
When did you see it?
I've seen this car in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, in the morning. Let me tell you like this. This morning,
Mm-hmm.
I'm staying here. This
Okay.
is my brother's
All right.
apartment.
Okay.
This morning I went there. I rent a that kind. I found
Okay.
this car here.
Okay. What time was that about?
That time it was 4:38.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Ocean. Kom hier na my toe want dis waar ek is. Ek is by die kar. Alright. Sien jou nou, dankie, bye. Yep. Kom, yep. Daar sê jou peanut. Kom eens hier. Kom. Hier. Hier. Sê jy nou? Lekker, dankie. Okay. Doe my 'n guns. Ek kan ons net kyk gaan hy Merca deurkom. Sê hy behoort.
Is dit 'n domestic?
Nee, ek weet nie, ons sal nou maar sien, dit is 'n gesteelde kar.
Daarop, bro.
Ja. Hulle sê so. Nou moet ons die polisie kry.
Om hier te kom en dan kom maak hulle saak.
Die saak, die kliënt is die klaar is by die polisiestasie
Ja, want hulle is besig met dit.
met 'n saak oopmaak, ja.
Maar hulle vat hom ook ver uit.
Ja, hy is by 'n tavern iewers te gevat hierso. Hey. Hoor, nou sit jou voet vas, né?
Oh,
Toe, ons wil nie jy moet. Wat het jy daar? Was it your buddy, his friend that took the car? My captain, you can cancel that. I've got the complainant here. He's got the keys. It looks like more of a use of motor vehicle without the owner's consent. So he went to the police station. He didn't open a case. So I'm not going to waste your time. Stand the members down, okay? Yeah, no, let's not waste time. We're not going to waste your time. There's lots of work to be done. Dankie, Captain. Cheers. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, so you're not going to open the case? Huh?
He don't want to open a case.
All right, this is why I'm asking. I'm telling him he was drinking too much.
No.
Ah, sure. Okay. I thought he was drinking too much because I'm looking at the key. Where did you find the key? Yeah. Where did he find the key?
He was having the key.
But how did they steal the car? Because nothing is broken. With what? What did they? No, not even the ignition is broken.
That's the problem.
Ah, that's the problem.
I asked him. I told him that is your friend. No one can steal a car. You have the key. You have everything.
Yeah, everything is there.
Yes.
It's not broken. Anything. Check the door for me.
All the petrol
Okay.
and the carburetor.
Okay. All right. So they stole everything. Ish. Okay.
So when you came out last night about the tavern, the car was gone?
Yes.
Oh.
So what do you want to do?
So now you can't take this car anywhere now, or you're going to fix it like this?
Yeah. Only uthathele umnikazi oyilungu. Othi ngimfonele. Yeah, ngimfonele.
Toe ek hier aangekom het, het daar 'n wit Avanza daar gestaan by die taxi staan. Ja. So hulle het hom hier gestrip, sien jy in die oggend.
Ja, hulle het hom gestrip is so, want soos ons sien. Gepas dan strip hulle die kar uit vir my. Maar ek sien nou deesdae met die Volkswagen en het ek oom gecheck, hulle is ook heavy op dit wat hulle sommer jou bumpers
Julle
van die karre afsteel en al. Hulle steel die bumper en al sommer stryd net van verse groot in deesdae.
Okay, at this moment he's not going to open a case, but I'll send you some pictures. The vehicle was stolen and they took the carburetor off. There's quite a few things that they took off, the steering column, everything. So they kind of stripped the car, yeah, for other parts. So the whole master cylinder, everything. They kind of stole it and stripped it, yeah. Probably for another Avanza.
Anguza man.
Yeah.
Yes,
How far is the tavern from here?
About
babuza la betreka ukuthi beyithathe bena ebhinoni ngovula ikhesi after lapho izothatha 2 months ukuthi ihlale yena kulikaneni ebhinoni.
Hello, my bro. Fine, and how you doing? Say again? What is his phone number? Let me phone him.
athina amanamba akhe mfowethu. Awabize amfonele mfowethu. Say, I like your key holder.
072
072
45
45 They stole the battery, they stole the master cylinder, they stole the carburetor, everything inside, by the engine. Say again? By the engine. Let me. Yeah, they took the master cylinder. They took the master cylinder, the battery, and the carburetor. The carburetor is gone, the master cylinder is gone, and the battery is gone. Alright, so I'm going to leave it, yeah? It's not going to go anywhere. So we are going to leave then. Alright. Okay, my friend, 100%. Your driver is going to stay here, yes. Okay, my buddy. Thank you then. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Ek gaan net bietjie nader trek. Ek wil net 'n foto neem van die goed saam. Morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you doing? Good. Okay, so he's going to send the car, going to tow it. Alright. And he's the driver, ne?
Yeah.
Alright, I just want to put the name. Have you got the ID or anything, your driver's license? Alright. Alright. And you, my friend, thank you. Thank you. Yep. That's a... Sê, ons maak ons pad uit daai kant toe. Hallo jou peanut. Kom.
Ja? Ja,
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the Sniper team for more information.